So you're going to be making a skirt block in this tutorial. To do that, you will first draw 2 lines at a 90-degree angle, like we did in the bodice block. So this way and this way. This will be the starting point, this point right here. You can name it 1 or whatever you want. So take your hip measurement, divide it by 2, and then add 1.5 centimeters. So from this point, you'll go across that measurement. I'm using a size 12 block. Yes. My hip measurement is 94, so 94 divided by 2 plus 1.5. I get 48.5. So I'll go from here, I'll go 48.5 centimeters. Okay. So go across, mark that point, and then square down. That will be your center front line. So you have these 2 points. So this will be your center back, and this will be your center front. Half of your front and half of your back. So take your skirt length from 1, go down to your skirt length. I will use 65 centimeters as my skirt length. 65. So measure out. I'll measure out 65 in my case. 65. And then square that out. So then take your waist to your hip measurement. So from this point, take your waist to your hip measurement and mark the point, then square it out. My waist to hip is 20.6 centimeters. So I'll measure that out, 20.6, and then square it out. So mark this as your hip, as your hips. As always, we start with the base. This is the base. We have your waist, we have your hips, and then you have your length. You have your center back, and you have your center front. Okay, now let's start with the back. So take your hip measurement, divide it by 4, and then add 1.5 centimeters. So my hips are 94, divided by 4, plus 1.5 centimeters. I get 25. So whatever you get, for me 25, measure out from this point up to that point, 25 in my case. And then square that down. Square it down. So just to recap, quarter of your hip measurement, quarter of your hip measurement, and then plus 1.5. So now take your waist measurement, also divide it by 4, and then add 4.25 centimeters. We'll go out from this point to that point, the answer you get. So just to recap, quarter of your waist measurement plus 4.25 centimeters. So let me do mine. My waist is 68 according to a size 12. 68 divided by 4 plus 4.25. I get 21.3. So I'll go out. Do for your own measurements, or if you're following a size 12 like me, the one I'm doing, still okay. We are adding the 4.25 because we'll have darts, and when you have the darts, when you stitch, they will take up the ease. 21.1, 2, 3. So that point right there, mark the point like that, and then from this point go up 1.25 centimeters. And mark the point like that. Then from this point, join it to 1. Also, from this point, join to this point as well. Measure from this point to this point, and then divide that by 3. I get 7.1. So measure 7.1 from this point That is where our next dart will be, and 7.1 again. That is where our second dart will be. Using these 2 points, square down in a straight line. So align with that line like that, and then square down with a dotted line. Like that. This is where the 2 dots are going to be. From this point, go down 14 centimeters. That will be the length of the dart of this point, 14 centimeters. And then from this point, go down 12.5 centimeters. So these 2 darts are 2.2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. So 1 centimeter on each side. Then what you want to do after that, this line, go out 0.5 centimeters. 0.5, because you want to join with a curve, because the hips are not like straight, they are curved a bit, so we want to curve it out a bit. Then take your curved ruler and join with it from this point to this point, touching this point like this. From this point, take your waist measurement, divide it by 4, and then add 2.25 centimeters. Just like we're done for the back, but now this time we're adding 2.25 instead of 4.25. So let me just repeat that again. Quarter your waist measurement plus 2.25 centimeters. 8 divided by 4 plus 2.25. I get 19.3. So from this point, square out to 19.3 or whatever the measurement you've gotten. So that's 19.3. That's my point. And then go up 1.25 centimeters, just like we did for the back. And mark the point. And then from this point, join with a straight line to this point and to that point. And then take this point, measure from this point to this point of the line you just drew, from this point to this point, and then do a third of it, okay? Mark that point, okay? So let me just repeat. Measure this line from this point to this point. Do a third of it, divide it by 3. The answer you get, measure out that answer from this point to that answer, the point. And then now mark the point. Then square down, like we did for the back. And then from this point, measure downwards 10 centimeters. Like that. And then mark the point. The dart for the front is 2 centimeters as well. So 1 centimeter on each side. So mark that. And then go out 0.5 so that you can join with a curve like we did for the back. You have the front and you have the back. Let's mark the front. So that's how you do a skirt block, very easy, and you can do it in like 20 minutes.